An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County and east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected near Mineral City and was moving east at 45 miles per hour. The storm was capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mineral City, Delroy, Malvern, Carrollton, Augusta, East Rochester, Mechanicstown. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at @Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. An urgent weather message.